Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking you through how to implement rate limiting and throttling in Node.js. So I will explain what the basic difference between rate limiting and throttling is. So in rate limiting, you are trying to limit the rate at which a particular endpoint or API can be reached. So this is a basic setup. So we'll go to the implementation to understand the difference. So in rate limiting, you can limit the amount of number of requests that can be made within a window that's within a particular time that is being set. While in throttling, you are adding a delay to a particular API, so you can slow down the API after a number of requests and you can specify the time by which you slow it down. So let's go through this. So I'm setting it to be 1 minute, that is 60 times 1000, bringing it from millisecond to second. I want a maximum of 3 requests. So after 3 requests, I'm going to display the message, too many requests, please try again. So for now, I'm just using rate limiting and not throttling. So let's get our project running. Okay, so this is the first request to that particular endpoint. Second one. So by the third one, it's going to tell you that too many requests, please try again later. So now let's go on to implement throttling. So I'm going to stop my server again and I'm going to uncomment this. So for the throttling, I'm going to slow down the API. That it's going to delay the API after 4 calls and it's going to delay it by 1 second. It's going to delay it by 5 seconds. That's 5,000 milliseconds. So let me save and run the project again. So now our server is running. So okay, so it's working now, but to make this very clear to you, I'm going to change the rate limiting to 5 times so that the throttling would have been executed before the rate limiting gets executed. So I'm just going to reduce the throttling to maybe after 2 calls, so that meaning by the 3rd call. So let me start my server again since I've made changes. Okay, yeah, it's running now. So let's make a call. So this first call, second call, third call. So you can see the delay being executed now. So it's going to delay for that amount of time before this thing. And if you continue, you have that same experience until when the rate limit is reached and you get the error message. Yeah, so the rate limit has been reached now. So thank you for staying to the end of this tutorial.